Do you want to convince others about your views on abortion, immigration, government spending, or Obamacare? If so, you've found your home at Views180.com. We will help you find an audience that doesn't agree with you, help you pick articles and videos that are effective at influencing their opinion, and show you how much their views actually changed. Here's how it works. Using VPoints, you pay people who disagree with your viewpoint to read or watch political content of your choosing. Direct your content to a general audience or to your social network using email, Facebook, or Twitter. Once they read or watch the content, they rate it, and you get to see if it has influenced their opinion, or at least made them a little bit more respectful of your viewpoint. You spend your points on real people and see real results. How do you get VPoints that you can spend? Two options. Open your mind to other viewpoints and earn points as a reader, or buy VPoints with real dollars. That's how we make money. It will be some of the best political advertising dollars you ever spent reaching real people and convincing them that your position is right.